Welcome to Matt's Playtime. Alright, we got Cruz Ramirez's Dynaco 51
And look!
hauler.
Yeah, look.
And then Matthew found, we did a...
In Target, or find this in Target.
These are from Cars 2 World Grand Prix.
And we got these in Target.
Yep. And then also at Target, which we haven't been able to find anywhere else, is the mud racing from...
Wait guys, let me show you. Look.
From Thunder Hollow. It has its own suspension. That's pretty neat. Alright, which one do you want to open first?
These.
Okay. Do a hauler. We haven't been able to find Francesco Ranulli.
Yeah, he's lost.
He's hard to find.
Yeah.
You need some help?
Okay.
Matthew's open Rip. Oh!
He's lost it.
You dropped him. This is kind of like a Porsche. Kind of like Sally, but fancier. And this is Max.
I got him.
Yep.
What's this guy's name?
It's Rip.
Rick.
Yeah. You need some help?
Oh. Ooh,
Here we go. Rip. Alright. Check out these colors. He's pretty colorful. Orange, yellow, and green.
Let's put him in the Dynaco.
Think you can fit in the Dynaco?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you open up Dynaco, which actually has... Oh, you have Lightning McQueen in there?
Yeah.
Which is really neat because it has a simulator too with who? Picture of Jackson Storm.
Yeah.
Okay, this is another Grand Prix, which is Max, and he's from Germany, which would make sense because Porsche's from Germany, right?
Yeah.
It's like Sally's brother, right?
Yeah.
With a bigger spoiler on there. Here,
So each person is Lion Queen.
Sally, Sarah E's Lightning McQueen. All right, here we go with German colors on it.
Be inside.
And he's got a huge spoiler on the back that says World Grand Prix. That's pretty neat. And his name is what?
He's the inside.
Oh, you put Rip inside?
Yeah.
Put Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. And he's
And then we got Max. Max from Germany.
Look
Porsche 911. Whoa, so fast. Alright, so now we got our mud racers. There's a whole bunch out there. We did not buy them all because we ran out of money.
I saw Ryan's toys too.
Oh, Ryan has these? I don't think so.
Ryan have a
Oh, you
lot
want-
today.
Yeah, you wanted the blind bag. Okay. This is
I
Jackson Storm.
I opened Lion Queen.
And these are neat. Oh, you got that so fast that time. Oh. Alright. And they're kind of like...
Look guys.
They're kind of like monster trucks because they have their own suspension. They got big wheels.
Look guys.
Whoa, that's cool. Alright.
Wait guys.
Yeah?
When you do that one.
We're going to do that one in a second. Alright. Matthew really likes his new Cars 2 World Grand Prix racers. This is one of his first F1 series, as well as the German 911s. Pretty neat. We're very excited about our mud racers from Thunder Hollow with their own suspension and big tires.
Where's that?
Alright, we're going to throw Roscoe in here since he's from Thunder Hollow as well. Welcome to Matt's Playtime. Alright, we have Roscoe from Thunder Hollow. We're going to check him out. Whoa! Alright, so he's a deluxe series, so a little bit bigger than a regular car, because he's a truck. He's pretty cool. You like him? Whoa! So we're gonna get some more Thunder Hollow items so that we can have a whole set. Which here we already have I really like Roscoe. I don't know why, but it's a pretty cool truck. Thanks for watching Matt's Playtime. Subscribe and like. Let us know what your favorite cars are.